Hi guys, welcome to my channel at Easy Surveys, where we make all survey practices to be easier and educative. In this video, I want to quickly show us on how to plot a profile from existing contour map on Surfer. So this is my work environment on Surfer. In case you do not know how to plot contour map on Surfer, please you can check under this video description. You are going to see a video that shows how to do just that, and there are still some beautiful techniques in the course of that video that was displayed, so please you can refer back to it. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe icon on this channel, as well as like and follow our page to support and encourage us. Thank you. So I am just going to launch in my gridded spot height here, which is going to give me my contours. So this is my contour. So I want to show us on how to plot the profile, the y-axis profile and the x-axis profile. So this is the contour map. It is expected to be flat on ground, but because we are plotting on the software, it is bringing it this way vertically. So this is expected to be the longitudinal profiling aspect, this axis, the y-axis. Then this is expected to be like a form of a cross-sectioning aspect of this contour map, so the x-axis. So I'm going to show us on how to plot the longitudinal axis profile. Okay, so to do that, you are going to click on the contour map, then you right click. Okay, you right click, then you go to add. So under add, you will navigate to profile. All right, you click on it, so it's going to give you the advantage to choose from which axis to which. So I'm going to choose from bottom here, so you make sure you try as much as possible to be at the center. Okay, from the bottom here, you click on it, then you drag the line up. All right, you drag the line up to the upper center, then you click on it. So when you are done clicking on it, you click on enter. So as you can see, this is the profile for the longitudinal axis, which is the y-axis. Do we get that? So that is the profile for the longitudinal axis. So I am going to do for the x-axis. So the same approach is what I am going to use. So when you click on the contour map, you right click, you go to add. Okay, then you go to profile. So it's going to give you an advantage. So I'm just going to choose from the center of this axis to the center of the next axis, then I'm going to click on enter. So here you can click on yes. So you can see there's profile 1 and there's profile 2. all right, there's profile 1 and profile 2. So our profile 1 is the longitudinal axis profile. All right, then our profile 2 is the x-axis profile. So any which one, this is how to plot a profile from an existing contour map. So if you have an existing contour map or a contour data, a topo data that has x, y and z, you can generate your profile from that data using Surfer. I hope this video is helpful. Please do well to hit on the subscribe icon on this channel, as well as share and like this video to support and encourage us. Thank you. You can decide to edit or do some other beautiful things on this map if you choose to. Thank you. We hope to see you next time.